Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is sectioning off my hair into 3 sections. So for this first part, I'm going to section it off from ear to ear. Okay, so the next part, I'm going to be parting it from ear to ear, but this is going to be for my back section of my head. And here you can see my hair has been parted in 3 sections, and I'm going to then work with that. Okay, for this section now, we're going to be dividing it up into some triangle shapes. You can actually do this here however you want. You can do box, you can do triangles, you can just free part, but for this here I'm going to be just using a triangle shape. Okay, so when I first started out, I was using this red one matte hair gel, but I didn't like how it came out. You're going to see in a second. It left my hair white and I could not get it moved. Listen, when I tell you, you see me here trying with this red one gel, it would not move, it would not budge. Even when I tried to brush it into place, my hair was so stiff and it smelled so strongly of a man's cologne. It was too overbearing. So I just, in a second you're going to see me give up. I'm just going to wash it out and just start fresh. I was trying so hard to make this product work, but as you can see, it's white and we don't want our hair looking like that. So give up, and we're going to be using this Eco Styling gel now, and I'm going to put this in my hair that I just washed over. Okay, so we're going to be putting this all over this section, just making sure everywhere has some gel so that we can make it as sleek as possible. And then we're going to go in with our rubber bands and keep this still in place. Okay, so right here we're going to be using this rubber band to loop our hair and secure it into place, but we do not want to put it too tight so it can give us a headache. We just want it in enough that it can hold our style. Taking some more of that Eco Styling gel, I'm just going to put it all over my hair and then start twisting so I can loop my hair into this Bantu knot style. Whilst wrapping the Bantu knot, we're going to make sure we have a good hold on it so it won't unravel and it stays in place. Okay, so like we did before, we're going to grip our hair and place it into this rubber band, making sure that it is secure. Then we're going to coat our hair with this eco styling gel once again, and then start wrapping. So this is how the front part of my hair came out, and at this point the steps become a bit repetitive, so I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video. So this is a finished look. I really like how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you guys won't miss any time that I post, and I'll see you guys in my next video.